If you saw my last video, you know I just went to the Eastern Iowa Orchid Show. Before I left, I got most of my plants in. So there's a little bit of video to show what I brought in. This is what I still have left outside. A bunch of my Oncidium Alliance hybrids, my Cymbidium Tracianum, I think my Cymbidium Dorothy Stockstill, the Dendrobium aggregatum, my Victoria Reginae and Reginae hybrids, my Nobile and Kingianum type Dendrobiums are also still out. And I'm gonna have to stop because I have orchids all over the house and there's not enough room for them until they come and fix the glass in my sunroom. And then I had to leave for 2 days, and so I left orchids all over my house. Where Pinto could eat them. And this is not to say that Pinto doesn't have grass for himself, but he seems to feel that he would much rather eat my orchids. So I got back from the show last night and there's a box waiting for me from Plantío Orquídea, Plantío la Orquídea, and I didn't want to open it last night when I got back late because I couldn't protect the plants overnight from Pinto, the orchid eating cat. So I'm opening it up this morning, first thing. It'll stay in the box an extra like 12 hours. And I will open this and then hopefully this will be the last of my unboxings for a long time. This is one where I don't remember what I was searching for, but I came across 2 Richard Mueller crosses at Plantío la Orquídea that I hadn't seen anywhere else. And I felt bad. They were $10 each, and it turned out I wanted to get like 4, but they only had 2 in stock, so I could only get 2. So I just got some other things to fill out the box. So here's the box, and you can see it's pretty small anyways. But I just didn't want, I didn't want to rattle around, so I got some more stuff. Not that it filled out the box very much. So let's show off what I got, and I'll try. Some of these are like crosses, they're all seedlings, because turns out I love seedlings. I'm like a seedling junkie. How I can have so many plants in so little space. They're seedlings, and then they grow big, and then I have to get rid of them because I don't have enough room. So this is Brassiocattleya Mary. It's Brassiocattleya Brassavola nodosa cross to Cattleya lawrenceana. So I think I bought, like, they had like a, I don't know, nodosa special. And I think I just got it for funsies. Hopefully not for like pinto chow. You're not being very helpful, man. All their nodosa stuff is net pots. This is Little Stars. So, oh, I see. This is Little Stars cross to Cattleya bicolor. This is gonna get a lot bigger. Pinto, don't bite my nose. Ow! Stop biting my nose. It's really being a pain in the butt. Literally, I guess it's gonna be a pain in the butt. Put his butt down right here. Let's see. This, oh, okay, so this is what I got. So I got 2 of these. There should be another one in the box. This is Richard Mueller Quasso Whiny Leopard. So I have a whiny leopard that's not doing very well, and I'm thinking actually of replacing it with a full-grown one from Carmela's because they have it right now. I just can't decide if I actually really want. I realized that whiny leopard might be a little bit bigger than I actually wanted. But yeah, they have whiny leopard, $28, the size of one. So let's see. So these are all small. I'm not expecting, these are all gonna take well. Whiny leopard's pretty big. I mean, Rich Mueller might make it smaller, but whiny leopard's pretty big. So this is Bracciolata Cattleya Sesals Amaretto. This is nodosa cross to Trick or Treat. You're just gonna sit there for the entire thing, aren't you? You are such a pain in the butt. You know, you have a bed here, you have cat grass here. Couldn't you like go somewhere else? So let's see. Okay, so this is a Little Star. This is actually, so Little Stars is Brassavola nodosa cross to Brassavola subifolia. This right here is the other Richard Mueller Cross the Whiny Leopard. Oh my God, it looks awful. This might be dead. Or, I don't say dead, in the stages of dying. So look how dry this is. Let me show the other one. So here's the other one. You can see that it has much fatter pseudobulbs. This one's really dry. New growth looks like it's dead. I don't think this one's gonna make it. Well, it's good I ordered 2. It's not like I can say, hey, I'd like another one, because these are probably the last 2 that they had. Oh, wow. That was not a very good, I mean, like 2 pseudobulbs, dry, looking like they're on their way toward death. And these are all like $10 each. And then this right here is BEPL, so it's Brassavola cross to Encyclia. Gordon Vickers, so Brassavola nodosa cross Encyclia tempensis. Yeah, and I'm pretty sure this is just, like I said, I just got like the nodosa special, and then, oh no, and then I got one other one. Okay, so I also got, I don't know, BCT, I don't know what that, Playa, Colorado. So this is Booth Lee cross Acatilea Clandier. There. I don't know, these, I don't know if they just, you know, they're all in Florida, and Florida's either too hot or it's, you know, like just perfect. I don't know how much effort growers have to put into their plants in Florida. I feel like I have to put a lot of effort into paying attention to my grow conditions here in Chicago. But, you know, some of the Plantío stuff looks okay. I don't know if the stuff like went to Tamiami and came back, and so it's a little sad, but I think the Playa Colorado is not very nice, and I think one of like the second Richard Miller Cross Wayne Leopard is not very nice either at the $10 plant. I just think it's kind of sad. So that's my Plantío La Orquídea unboxing, and I guess we'll see how they grow, but I'm gonna go put them away so Pinto can't eat them.